Okay, we've got this formula and we need to work out x when we have these values. So let's put them in then. 0.012 is equal to x squared over v, which is 24, 1 minus x. So we can put a bracket around the whole object underneath and move it up to the top, can't we? On the other side. So 0.012 times by 24, lots of 1 minus x, so that's what we've got there. We've moved that up to times by 0.012 and that will equal x squared. So 24 times 0.012 then, times 24, 36 over 125. 36 over 125, so we've got 36 over 125, lots of 1 minus x is equal to x squared. So now I'm going to multiply by 125 both sides. 125. 125 of this lot will be 36 of them. And we've got 125 of x squared. Expand this bracket. 36 minus 36x. X squared, that many x squareds. Move everything over here then. This comes over to be with it. So we've got the 125x squareds here. Move this over to be with it plus 36x. And move this over minus 36. There's nothing left on this side, so we can put the equals naught here. Right, now, not nice, but it looks interesting. 125 by 125. Well, it's 525s, isn't it? 5x and 25x it could be. And this looks like 6 sixes or 9 fours. Or 18 twos. But I don't know. I don't know how easy to factorize that is. 18 twos or 36 ones. I'm not able. So if all else fails, we can use the formula. X equals, there's A, here's B, and here's C. So let's see what we get with the formula. Minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4 times A, 125, times C, which is minus 36. So I'll put that to a plus and put 36 here. All over 2 of these. 2 lots of 125. So what have we got? We've got minus 36 plus or minus this square root over 2 125s is 250. So let's work out this little sub problem then. 36 squared plus 4 times 125 times 36. 19296. Okay, so that's equal to then, and we get the two values. So on top we got a minus 36 plus the square root of 19296. Outside the square root bracket, close that, divide it then by 250. And we get 0.412. 0.412. And these are the 3 decimal places. And the other one? Okay, let's have a look at the other one. So we do minus, don't we? The square root. Minus 0.6996, which is minus 700, 0.700. Okay. The value, so if I look back at the question, the value of the equilibrium constant, X is the quantity of chlorine. That's what is So 0.412 is a quantity, so it has to be positive. Is the quantity of chlorine needed? It doesn't say the units in the question, so units of chlorine needed. The negative, in this context, the negative answer is meaningless.